Ready, set, G.I. go! Welcome everybody to our SS Customs YouTube channel yet again. Today I want to talk to you guys about paint correction. Basically the process of restoring paint. And that paint restoration method involves us cutting down the top layer of clear coat that has all the imperfections, random little scratches, so on and so forth in there, and being able to basically expose the fresh, brand new paint that's underneath it. In order to do that, when we do our paint corrections, it's a combination of three things here that we teach. It's going to be your machine that you choose to do the paint correction with, the pads that you decide to use, and the chemical. And all of that combination will change based on the vehicle's paint structure. So if it's a harder paint or a softer paint, or it's a single stage or something a little bit more modern, all of those are going to affect how we put that combination together of those three things to be able to get the desired result we want for a proper, brand new type of looking vehicle paint correction. And if you're looking for a paint correction, you want to get a little bit more in-depth conversation, come on down to our facility. We'll do a consultation and pretty much go ahead and show you the different methods and what we can do for you and your vehicle. Thank you very much.